Apply the same rule to generate each new term in the pattern.
Today, watch the scene carefully. The numbers and symbols are part of the world, so the structure can be seen before it is named. Right now, Waddle's path upward is locked. The upper branches exist in a vacuum, waiting for specific structural rules to trigger their growth. To build the canopy, we have to generate sequences from a given rule. Then, we have to look closely at the results to identify hidden features that emerge on their own. Finding these hidden patterns is the only mechanism that allows the landscape to grow. Waddle faces her first obstacle here in the terrace. This carved eucalyptus vine needs a specific sequence to extend its reach. The bark's diagram gives our rule. Add 3, starting from 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 7, 10, 13. Each jump adds 3. Looking closely, a secondary trait appears. The values naturally oscillate between odd and even numbers. The terms are 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, and they alternate odd and even. The completed vine carries Waddle higher, shifting her weight onto a new branch structure marked by swinging leaf tags. This array uses a larger scale. Add 5, beginning at 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Continuing generates 13, 18, 23. Let's observe just the ones digits of this sequence. They oscillate purely between 3 and 8. The terms are 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. The ones digits alternate 3 and 8. The branch stabilizes, giving Waddle a path toward a higher bough. But here, the rule shifts from arithmetic to positional geometry. This diagram reveals a recurring block of 3 shapes, a square, then 2 triangles. To safely project forward to the 12th position, we need exactly 4 full blocks. Since every block ends on a triangle, the 12th position must be a triangle. The 12th shape is a triangle. The bough locks into place, securely allowing Waddle to reach the absolute highest point of the entire canopy. This unformed crown is governed by rapid growth. Start from 2 and double the value. 2 becomes 4, then 8, 16, and 32. Every term is exactly twice the size of the one before. A consistent trait remains. Every term stays an even number. The terms are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and every term is even. The canopy bursts into its full height, completing the terrace. We read the structure of the scene through the landscape itself.
The terms are 1, 4, 7, 10, and 13.